Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the quickest, easiest smoky eye you can ever do in your life. And I started out using a black eye pencil. I'm using the IT Cosmetics No Tug pencil in the shade black, and I'm lining my top and bottom waterline. And then I'm going to be using the Baliey palette and these two shades, Venice Fling and Roller Skates. And my eye is primed, so of course make sure you prime your eye before you start applying shadows. And I'm first going to be applying Venice Fling in a dome shape. Now I prefer rounded smoky eyes, but if you prefer the cat eye shape, of course you can do that too. Like I said, this is just my preference. So I first apply Venice Fling, and then I go in on top with that purple shade, which is called the Roller Skates. And then to blend out the edges of my mobile lid, I'm using the shade Toasty. And then after that, I'm going to be going in with an even lighter shade of brown in, I believe it's called Tan Lines. It'll pop up in a minute. And I'm going to be applying that with a really fluffy brush to blend out the edges of the look. And those are the only 4 eyeshadows that I use for this entire look. Super simple. The key to any smoky eye is to apply the shadow, blend it out, and then apply it some more. So you don't need a lot of shadows to do a smoky eye, you just need the patience to blend them out. And I really like how this one turned out. Like I said, it's super simple, only 4 eyeshadows. And I love that I did not have to use a black eyeshadow to do it, because if you guys do smoky eyes, black eyeshadow is a bitch to blend out. So yeah. Anyway, I did not do my full face for this video. I just did the eyes. I really haven't been feeling very creative lately given what's going on in the world. I mean, let me just be 100, so that's why I haven't really been consistent. But I hope you guys are enjoying the videos that I am putting out, and I am going to be trying to put out some hair videos very soon as well. So hopefully you guys will be able to enjoy those. Anyway, yeah, that's the look. I'm just reapplying that eyeliner on my top and bottom waterline just to make sure it looks really smoky. Of course, do my mascara, and this is the final look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Watch some videos while you're here, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!